Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about box sizing in CSS. So what is box sizing in CSS? How to create that? So inside the body, I will mention one div and I have to give one ID name for this particular box size. Fine. By using that, you can provide one name here. So right now I'm going to provide the two div and the two paragraphs inside this box size. Okay. So the CSS box sizing property allow us to include the padding and the border in an element's total width and height. So it will help you to provide the box and you will be able to change the sizing of it. Okay. So inside the first div, I will provide the width of this particular box of 300 pixels. Okay. And then I will provide the height of this box. Height I will provide the 100 pixel. And then we are going to write what is the border for this particular. So I will provide 2 pixel solid red. Okay. I have provided these things. So let me just give you. Why am I not getting? There is one mistake that I have written. That is the solid spelling. Yeah. So you should you should write it properly. Otherwise you will not get your error. Okay. Uh, now you can see we have provided one box. The same thing you need to do with the second one. Okay. So I will just write the height of this particular width of this particular box and then the height of this particular text and the border. Okay, so I will write the border as 2 pixels solid and whatever the color you want to choose. I will choose the blue color. Okay, so these are the two different colors I have provided for this. And then after that, I will also mention the padding here in this case. So I will just mention padding of 50 pixels. Okay, so now once you see, there's a difference. After providing the padding, the text is coming like there's a gap between the text and the border. So that is how you can create it. In the first case, we were not having the gap between the text and the border I have created, the box sizing. Okay, so that is what works between the two things. In the second one, there is a gap because we have provided the padding. So it will help us to give the sizing of the box. This is one of the method how can you create it. The property, this is the property, how can you create it? Now let me provide the box sizing of border box. Okay, so let me see what we will get. So the border inside this, the element padding and border are included in the width and size. Okay, so you can set with the help of using that. Again, I will provide in the second div and then we will be able to see it will be according to the first box I have created now. So according to that, it will include the width and size. What should be the proper size for that particular box? So it will automatically provide you like that. Okay. So that is one of the method how can you create it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.